Today I'm going to show you how you can use locally N8N with AI models running on your own computer completely for free. I don't want to waste any of your time, so if you already don't have the Docker version of N8N installed on your computer and the container running, I will leave the link for the setup process down below in the description. It takes about 5 minutes to get N8N completely for free set up on your computer using Docker. So go watch that video if you don't have that setup ready and come back here to continue with the deployment of local AI model. So for this local AI model creation, we are going to be using Ollama. Ollama is an application that gives you access to open source models that will run on your own computer, which means you just burn, power, and you have to find a model, of course, compatible with your hardware. So in my case, I went ahead and downloaded the simplest version of Qwen 3, which is very capable. So I went with this very small Qwen 3 0.6 billion model, and I'm going to show you how to set it up and connect it with N8N. So first of all, you need to download Ollama. It's available on Linux, macOS, and Windows. After you install it, you want to open up a terminal and type the Ollama run and the model you want. This will make sure to download the model weights inside your computer. Every time you want to be using Ollama, just make sure to open up the application. It runs on the background on me, so you can see it here. So let's open up Ollama, which is essentially a chat interface in this case. But yeah, after you type this on your, let's say, how can I call it? On your terminal, you want to press Ctrl D or SPY to exit the screen. You have downloaded all of the weights. Everything is fine. You can move on with using your model. So after you have spun up your Docker container, again, go ahead and watch the tutorial on the description. If you don't have that set up already, you log in on N8N and create a new workflow. In this case, I have created a very simple workflow with a chat trigger, an AI agent, and on the AI agent, you want to select the Ollama chat model. Okay, so let's recreate this just for demonstration. You go here to chat, so you go to the plus icon, type chat trigger, boom, you got the chat trigger over here, and then you click this plus icon, go AI agent, leave everything to default, and then you want to click on the chat model, this plus sign, and find Ollama chat model. After you do that, you want to connect your Ollama account, create new credential, and for the base URL, this is very important. If you don't fix this, nothing is going to work. So if I try to save this, could not connect with these settings, we got an error. So if you open up the Ollama starter kit on GitHub, you are going to find the actual URL you need to use. You can just copy it on this tutorial manually, super simple. So it's http host.docker.internal, and this is the port. Click save, and then here you want to close this icon just for a second, open this up again, and by default, the model is going to be Llama 3.2. But I don't have Llama 3.2 downloaded on my computer, and you probably won't. So you want to click here on the drop-down after you close this window and open it up again, so it refreshes with the available models. You want to select the model you downloaded. Again, I downloaded Qwen 3 0.6 billion parameters, a very, very small model, and it's available here. You just have to, close the node, just click escape and just open it up again, so it loads again the list. And here you can see Qwen 3, and that's pretty much it. It has loads of parameters which you can use, which could be beneficial in your use case. And that's pretty much it, really. It's that simple. Now someone will say, so as proof. Sure. Hello, friend. So we go to the chat, interface here, type hello, friend, and we can see everything is working. This is a thinking model, so it outputs its thinking process, and also it gives us the response after that. All of this run on my computer completely for free. The only cost is the energy expenditure. The model is open source, free, runs on my computer, on my system. N8N is completely free in this case because it runs on my computer using Docker, and this is pretty much it, guys. In just 5 minutes, you went from nothing to running N8N locally on your computer with an Ollama model. In any case, if you want to learn more about AI, I would highly suggest that you buy the cheapest AI course in the market, my course. The link for it will be down below in the description. It costs $20 It's a one-time fee. Over 40 hours of tutorials are inside this course, including N8N tutorials, and every single month you will be getting new updates. Yes, guys, new updates to the courses. And I mean, this is the cheapest and best offer in the market. In any case, if you don't want to use N8N locally, if you don't want local models, I've made a bunch of tutorials showing you how to use the online version, which costs $30 per month because you host a VM and loads of other services, and also using it completely for free with Google's models, which are also free. So if you want the online N8N, the link for it will be down below. You can sign up, get your subscription running, and you go to a separate use case of events. So hopefully you found this video interesting and helpful, and I will see you on the next one.